Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. For I, in Gujarati, we say હું or મેં. For I, in Gujarati, we say હું or મેં. For we, in Gujarati, we say અમે or આપણે, according to sentences, which we will see. You, તું or તમે. Tu is for informal when we are talking to friends, informally. But when we are talking to our elder, like my father or whom someone I have to give respect, that time I have to use તમે. For you, you can say તું or તમે. તું informally and તમે when we are talking someone who is elder, we have to give respect that time તમે. For he, we can say તે. For he, in Gujarati we say તે. We'll see sentences. Before that, I am repeating one more time. I means હું or મેં. We, અમે or આપણે. અમે or આપણે. You, તું or તમે. તું or તમે. For he, we say તે. I am repeating one more time very quickly. I, હું or મેં. For we, અમે or આપણે. For you, તું or તમે. For he, તે. Now let's see sentences which words one by one. First one is I.
To watch the full video, find the link in the description box.